friends, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we'll be going to see that how we can create multiple folders with just one click. So come on, let's move into the video and see how that we can do. Okay, so first of all what we will do here, let's see how we are creating folders before. So before, what you are doing, you are just creating folders like right click, new folder, and then we are mentioning the name, let's say A, enter. This we are creating. This was the traditional way of creating folders. Then again you want to create folder B, so new B, folder C, new C. Like this you are creating the folders. But I'll tell you like how you will be able to create folder with just one click. Let's say you want to create hundreds of folders. Okay, just you have to click once and that all 100 folders will be created. So let's see how that we can do so. First of all, let me delete these 3 folders from here, and then just open your notepad. So I'm creating a text file. Here I'll make this folder folder maker, and then type the command which I'm typing, mkdir space A space B space C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. So all these folders will be created. File, save as, and then I'll save this folder maker file with the extension .bat. Remember, this is very important. You have to mention this extension .bat, and then just save this. So you can see here this gear icon has been created here, this kind of file. So if we'll just double click here, and you can see here all these folders have been created. So hope that you have understand how we are doing this. It's a very easy method. Just you have to double click and this all folders is created. Now if I want to delete all this folder, just what I will do here, I'll right click, edit, and in the place of mkdir I'll type here rmdir and just save. And again I'll click here, and you can see here all the folders has been gone. So it's very simple process. Just you have to type these commands. So this is the command mkdir or rmdir. You can use the shortcut of this command also. So if you want to use the shortcut, there is a shortcut also like rm for remove directory, md for make directory, and rd for remove directory. You can also use this command. So you can also use md, again save, double click. So all the folders has been created, and in the place of md I'll type rd, again save, double click, and all the folders has been deleted. So let's understand what this mkdir stands for. So m stands for make, mk stands for make, dir stands for directory. So mk tends to make and dir tends to directories. Okay, and rd stands for remove directory. So rd stands for remove directories, or rmdir also stands for remove directory, rmdir. So hope so that it is a good video for you. I hope that you will find a great understanding of how you can able to create lots of folders with the help of this small command. So I'll be meeting you in the next video. Thank you.